You guys can't believe that I will resign the job when it was my peak level. I was, as I said in my earlier video, that I was MIS executive. Okay, I joined in 2024. I worked till March 2026, and suddenly I just vanished everything because there is something that I want to share in this video. So in this video I'm just gonna say my full story about quitting the job. So guys, as you know, it is not a easy task or piece of cake to get a job in nowadays situation. It is very tough, guys. When all people are struggling nowadays, and suppose think you get a job while everyone is struggling, but you get a job, and even though it is very quality type job, not like that labor type job, it is like a formal type job, I can say, or it is more formal. You get a job and you get a satisfaction level salary. Like what I meant to say, like you are feeling stuck in your mind. You are feeling like you are doing something but you are not able to do because you are not here. Today you are here, you are working, you are doing everything whatever you want to. But what if I say that you don't have any willing to do that? You are just doing it for day-to-day expenses. You are living livelihood. What should I say? Everything I can say. There are many words to say it, but there are no words to say our feelings. So it was like me. I was doing my job. I was doing everything. But what happened with me? Something like I thought that I was doing 9 to 5 p.m. job. It is good. I'm getting salaried enough. Okay. I'm getting enough salary. It is okay. But something is kicking me. What I really don't know still. I really love enjoying making videos. I really enjoy making videos. Love explaining myself to you. What should I say? I don't have any words. I love whenever I make this type of video for you. I love giving you valuable content. So I observe. And one more thing I love to be myself, not under someone. I love doing whatever by myself because it feels like I am under my control, not under someone's control. Okay, it feels like whatever it is, my own business, or it is like tuition classes, teaching students, or it is making videos, whatever it is, I love self-employed type work. I love working by myself, not by anyone's help. I love speaking, I love explaining, I love giving presentation, whatever things I love. I know that I love, but I don't know what to do with them. So finally I decided to quit the bullshit job. So I decided and I suddenly give them resignation and I just quit that because I was stuck there. I was feeling stuck. I was like every day, each day I'm saying to you that it was like I was preparing for going to job. Then I went to job and I attend the job. I perform my tasks and then I came to my home. I took my dinner. I took my everything. Okay, whatever necessary tasks. I did my all stuffs and then I slept. I went there again. I came. Now I went there. I came. I went there. I came. I went there. I came. It was going on. Same task. It was like a trap. It was like a loop for me. That is why I was feeling stuck. I was like I was in escape. I was in a cage. I was in a cage. I felt. So suddenly I was exhausted. I made a decision. Whatever I would haven't done. But it's okay. I did, and right now I am here today. I love making videos. I'm trying to find out that what I can give you. What is that I have that I can give you. I love making videos. That's why I'm just sharing with you all of this stuff. So I hope that you feel my pain. You feel that what I want to say you. So that's all about my thinking. So it is just a small video. I hope that you are enjoying. See you in another video.